Bosch supplied the industry's first fuel injection system with a high-pressure electric fuel pump in 1967. Since then, Bosch continues to be at the forefront of fuel system technology and is recognized throughout the industry for innovation and superior product quality. Today, Bosch brings its fuel system expertise to the original equipment, or OE, and aftermarket, with a premium fuel pump module program for domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. Many of Bosch aftermarket modules and pumps are made on the same production lines that service our original equipment manufacturer, or OEM customers. As an established global OE leader in fuel pumps, Bosch continues to define the future of advanced fuel delivery technology with demand-controlled fuel supply, or DECOs, and brushless fuel pump systems. The fuel pump module is smarter than it's ever been. Many OE designs now contain a DECOs system that alerts the engine control module when the fuel pump is starting to fail, resulting in a check engine light. This warns the vehicle owner that the pump is performing out of specification and should be repaired. DECOs increases the durability of the fuel pump, provides easier diagnosis to help monitor the life cycle of the pump, and reduces power and fuel consumption, emissions, and noise. 8 worldwide manufacturing sites for pumps and modules with a best-in-class production and distribution model makes Bosch top choice for global OE and independent aftermarket customers looking for premium, high-quality fuel pumps and modules. It's important to use an OE replacement pump to ensure you don't end up with a check engine light triggered by the pulsating sensor, even if your non-OE replacement module seems to be working properly. With fuel module assemblies and systems becoming more complex over the years, it's more important than ever to rely on OE suppliers, like Bosch, to ensure you're getting the highest quality products possible. A vehicle failing to start can be a major symptom of a bad fuel pump. Other symptoms include low pump pressure, resulting in performance issues at higher speeds, increased noise due to contamination and wear, poor idling, and soft acceleration and lurching, or quick uncontrolled moving. Before attempting to diagnose a potential fuel pump issue, always consult your owner's manual and follow the recommended safety procedures and instructions. If you are unsure of anything, please check with your preferred mechanic or installer for further diagnosis. You should also refer to the manufacturer's personal protective equipment, or PPE, safety recommendations to ensure you are compliant. Do not smoke near or around the working area when changing a fuel pump module. The tools you'll need to change a fuel pump include safety glasses, gloves, a scrub brush and/or air compressor, a locking ring tool, a rag, a penknife, a socket wrench, and a flashlight. Today, we are working on a 2003 BMW 330i with an access panel. Keep in mind that there are other methods of removing your fuel pump that can include dropping your fuel tank or even removing your truck bed to access the fuel module assembly. Before removing the fuel pump, you must first remove the negative battery cable and loosen the gas cap as safety precautions. Cut away the rubber to reveal the access panel for the fuel pump. Take your socket wrench and loosen all bolts around the access panel to reveal the module flange. Disconnect the electrical connector to the fuel module. Detach the fuel lines, including the fuel hose and emission line. Note that residual fuel pressure will remain in the lines, so be sure to use a rag to help limit fuel spray. Next, clean around the opening of the fuel module with compressed air and brush off any excess debris that could fall into the tank. Take your locking ring tool and loosen the locking ring from the flange. Remove the old module assembly from the tank. You should also put a rag or towel around the fuel pump opening on the tank to catch any fuel that may leak. When replacing the old fuel pump, it's a good idea to buy the complete module assembly and replace the whole thing at once, versus buying a pump kit and replacing the electrical pump, filter, hoses, and other small components that may be included. It's faster to drop in a complete module assembly versus reworking the old module with new components. Plus, you're guaranteed to get a new strainer installed in the pump, so no old contamination can enter the new pump. And there's no damage to the assembly because no rework is required. Use a flashlight to take a quick look into the bottom of the tank. If you see debris floating at the bottom of the tank, the fuel tank should be cleaned prior to replacing the new pump. To begin the pump replacement, insert the new module into the tank. and secure the locking ring using the locking ring tool to set the module in place. Then, reconnect the fuel hose and emission lines. Reconnect the electrical connector. Next, reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten the gas cap. Then, build the pressure into the lines by turning the key to the on and off positions. Perform this task at least 3 times and then attempt to start the vehicle. Check for leaks around the fuel tank area. If there are no leaks, put the access panel over the module flange and tighten the bolts with a socket wrench according to the manufacturer's specifications. Put the rubber back down over the access panel. Then you can reinstall the rear bench seat. For more information, download the Bosch Premium Fuel Pump installation instructions from the Fuel Pumps support section of our website at boschautoparts.com. Please refer to your owner's manual and installation instructions to properly dispose of your old fuel pump assembly, as well as any materials that may be exposed to fuel. Also, make sure that you are compliant with all federal, state, and local environmental safety and disposal requirements. Bosch is proud to offer a lifetime warranty on fuel pumps with some limitations. Remember to replace your in-tank fuel filter and clean the tank properly before inserting the new pump to ensure your Bosch replacement is long-lasting. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit our website at boschautoparts.com. For professional assistance with your auto repair needs, contact an independently owned and authorized Bosch Car Service repair shop. Visit boschcarservice.us to find one near you.